The back of the winter has broken, and light lingers long by the door. The seeds of the summer have spoken in gowns that bloom on the shore. And by night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight. So dawn dances o'er the bay, 'cause sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we follow the heron home. In darkness we have cradled our sorrow and stoked all our fires with fear. And these bones that lie empty and hollow are ready for gladness to cheer. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight. So dawn dances o'er the bay, 'cause sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we'll follow the heron home. So long may you sing of the salmon and the snow-scented sounds of your home, while the north wind delivers its sermon of ice and salt water and snow. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight. So dawn dances o'er the bay, 'cause sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we follow the heron home. By night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight. So dawn dances o'er the bay, 'cause sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we follow the heron home, and we'll follow the heron